Recording ko na.
Sige, record ka na rin dyan sa camera.
Ito, sige.
Ate Annie, take one. Ano po yung thankful po kayo?
I'm thankful for the people. I'm thankful for the familiar faces I get to see again every Sunday, every Wednesday. I'm grateful for the people who were with me even before and in moving back here. Parang ano mo, the feeling of really coming back home, na parang nawala ka or nagbakasyon ka lang. Tapos yun talaga yung parang, oh sige tayo, so maghinga ako. Walang awkward. Yun yung maganda doon kasi alam mong kapag leading ng Holy Spirit, alam mong hindi siya forced. Pero alam ko sa sarili ko na hindi ko gagawin yun kung ako lang. And I'm grateful for the new people God has entrusted to me right now. Parang yun, kasi yung point ko, I'm still grieving the relationships I had to leave dun sa isang community and then start over again here. Kahit alam ko namang andyan kayo, pero yun yung sabi nila, just stay with us. Yung gano'n. Parang hindi mo naman kailangang pilitin na makipag-usap, gano'n. So parang, the separation anxiety that was so intense on my part, leaving the people I love dun sa church na yon, leaving yung disciple ko, and then with the leaving nga nawala yung mentor ko coming back with me here. Yun yung mahirap. Pero still nga, ang gentle lang kasi nung stretching ni Lord na parang hindi niya rin ako inalaw na mag-stay hanggang December na nag-online service lang.
You're gonna miss it.
And you're gonna miss out something. I'm doing something new, I'm doing something great, I want you to be part of it. Kaya sabi, alam mo yung ang soft lang ng parang, let's go back. Parang a home is waiting for you. Yun know, kaya parang pagbalik ko na parang, tita, hello po.
Just right there.
It's just right. Parang, hi tita.
Grabe.
Parang, yun.
Hindi na siya pilit at some point na mahirap talaga.
That's the good thing na parang looking back from the very start na I decided to come back here and then commit talaga na parang, I mean, there's no awkwardness sa pag-hi sa mga ibang tao, yung pag umikot tayo during yung parang you say hi to the other people, and then parang there's even no awkwardness anymore. Parang it's not still easy for me, pero there's no awkwardness na parang, okay, I'm gonna do this because these people are my family. Kahit hindi ko pa naman sila personal nakakilala. So, smooth lang yung flow ng everything ever since I came back. Yung thought lang na one of my greatest weakness, yung building relationships. But in my grieving, in my transitioning, in my coming back here, God used people. Yan lang yung ano niya kasi, yun yung catch doon na parang, even in your relationships, I'm the God. I'm gonna connect you, I'm gonna reconnect you, I'm gonna reconcile you or what. I'm gonna create these communities for you. Yan, parang, taka nakambak home gano'n. I'm excited to be part of something new, something greater for the glory of God. I'm just really excited na parang, di ba, you know, yung parang, I am a person that doesn't want to be in the spotlight. But the moment I listened to God's voice, the moment He held my hand na, Annie, let's move, yung gano'n, alam mo na it's for His glory.
Wow.
It's for His glory. All for His glory.
Try po natin. Tito Rodel, take one. So, throughout this year po, or very recently lang, ano po yung thankful po kayo?
Yung nakakasurvive kahit na maraming bayarin. Tapos yung pinaka-importante, yung health. Yung health ng bawat pamilya. Mga si Kish, si Tyson, si Garrett, at si Kyrie. At lalong-lalo na si Tita Lee. Ang pala pinaka-importante yung hindi talo ng enemy yung nasa utak natin. Yun. Kasi yung na-hospital ako po niya. Prayer. Palaging napupunta sa isip ko yung mga anak ko, yung paano ako kung mawala ako. 19 days in hospital. Palagi kong naalala paano kung hindi na ako makabangon. But prayer, salamat ako sa prayer ng mga hindi 2 years. Pero nandyan ng presence ng Holy Spirit na nagkakay sa atin as a Christian. Binigyan ako ng pagkakataon na nakabalik ako sa family ko, nakalabas ako within 19 days sa hospital. Ganun pala yung story ng stress kasi yun, yung dala ng stress. As a family, tatay sa loob ng bahay, masakit. Kasi yung halos milyon ang nawala sa amin. Pero nakasurvive kami. Palagi kong panalagi sa kay Lord. Lord, saan kami pupuha? But sabi mo sa salita mo, you supply everything na kami. Napakabuti ng Diyos. At itunting na kabawi kami sa panalangin palagi na kahit walang-wala ka, at si God lang ang the only provider. Tama yung sa prayer palagi na ikaw yung bahala na sa amin. Ikaw na bahala. Nakabuti mo rin. God is our provider. Times of trouble, huwag tayong mawawala ng pag-asa. Tunay na ang kabutihan ay kaawaan at susunod sa akin sa lahat ng mga kaarawan ng aking buhay, at ako'y tatahan sa bahay ng Panginoon magpakailanman.